Intermediates, and welcome back to Marvelous Monday. Sunday, Monday, happy day. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy day. Thursday, Friday, happy day. Saturday is soccer day. Don't come to school. Why? Because it's closed. That's right. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So, Marvelous Monday, and the weather today, I'm sad to say, is cloudy, and we still have rain falling from those rain clouds. So you might want to still wear a jacket over your short sleeve shirt, even though it's cool with a little bit of warm air. Long pants are still safe to wear, and sneakers are still a good idea if you go for that walk or play outside in your backyard. Now, it did change over to May on Friday. Friday was May 1. And let us count and find out what the date is today. Remember, the date is a number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Monday, May 4. The year is 2020. Great job. Let's head on over to our letter wall. Now, remember, you can always hit pause on your device so that you can trace the letter on your screen or skywrite it if you like. Let's get ready to say the uppercase letters. A, B, C, D. Good job. E, F, G. Excellent. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Beautiful. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. Now remember, these are all called capital letters or uppercase. Today's letter is A. Let's take that down. Take a closer look on how exactly A goes. It goes up, down, across is A. Let's try that together. Up, down, across is A. Excellent job. Let's take a look at the letter table too. Now, we're looking at the letter A, and we just looked at uppercase A. Up, down, across is A, but there is lowercase a, and that's the letter that you use at the end of your name, in the middle of your name, and that goes around in a circle with a line in back. A makes the sound A for apple. It also makes the sound or A. A also stands for anchor, and anchor is used to keep a boat still and not float away. A, apple. A, anchor. A, ant. Now remember, an ant, an aphid, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. We learned about those last week. And also a airplane. So A makes a few different sounds. Good job. Maybe you can find something in your home that starts with A or A. Let's take a look at the number wall. So, if you want to practice on your own or tracing them on the screen or try to practice writing it, hit those 2 double lines that's pause on your device. And we can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I sure hope I have 16 things to count. But first, let's take that off the wall and see how do we write the number 16. We need a 1 in the front and a 6 in the back. A 1 in the front and a 6 in the back. 16. Excellent job. Well, you know what time it is. Time to count those tennis balls. We need 16 of them. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's next? 16. Great job. 16 tennis balls. Now let's count our tools. I hope we find 16, and I want you to find 16 things in your home to count. They don't have to be tennis balls, and they don't have to be tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 16 tools. Excellent job. Well, it's time for one of our games. Let's head over to the name wall for the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's play the name game. The name game, the name game. Let's all play. I hope you can find your name up there. When you find your name, hit pause and you can trace it or skywrite it. Do you see it yet? Is it there? Now, I'm going to read them. And since it's a new month, the month of May, we have 2 birthdays coming up at the end of the weekend, the weekend. We will have Charlotte Hawker's birthday and Ryan Parents. So, we will call out their names when we see them next time, but let's see who's with me today. Michael, Olivia, Alexander, James, Jack, Luke, Easton, Samantha, Zoe, Catherine, Carter, Xander, Charlotte, Michael, Lexington, Connor, Sophia, Michael, Melania, Charlotte, Alexander, and Nora. Great job. I hope you found your name. And when you do, hit pause, trace it on the screen, or more importantly, please get a pencil now and try to write it. Great. Let's head over to the shape wall. Today's shapes are circle and pentagon. Remember, pentagon has 5 points and actually 5 sides that go along with that. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. 5 points, 5 sides. Moving over here, remember our favorite circle. A circle is one continuous round shape. There are no points. There are no corners. There are no angles. Just one continuous circle. Circle. Let's head over to the learning table. So because it's May, we will be talking about some holiday. And that will be on May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. So Cinco de Mayo is a celebration that happens in a country called Mexico. Let's take a look at the Mexican flag. We have a few different colors for the Mexican flag. We have a green stripe over here. And then it's a white area in the middle with their special bird in the middle. And it has olive branches and a cactus. And on this side, it is red. So, let me show you. Take a look at that. There's a lot of detail in that flag. And the ribbon here is also red and green, like the sides. Now, let's take a look at another flag. This is the American flag. I know a lot of you know this flag. This flag belongs to the country that we all live in, where Pied Piper is, the United States of America. Now, if you look at our flag, there are red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white, red. different colored stripes. And over here is a blue square. And in that blue square are stars. Now, there are a lot of stars in here. There are actually 50 of them. 50 white stars in the blue square of the American flag. Because there are 50 states in the United States of America. And there are 13 red stripes, or red and white stripes, I should say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 13 stripes represent the original 13 colonies. So before America became the United States, there were 13 colonies only. And then when they gained their independence, which is celebrated on July 4th, they added all the states. So, let's take a look at how different they are. 2 different flags, 2 different countries, different colors, but they both represent countries. Pretty amazing. Maybe you can look around your house and find some flags too. And if you find one, maybe it's a flag from the country that your parents are from, or your grandma or relatives or grandpa or aunts, uncles, cousins, and send us a picture and we will gladly put it up. It's fun to look at flags. They represent a lot of family information. Well, I'll see you tomorrow.